i3D-800, a new product from INTEKPLUS, which is a company specializing in vision inspection, is a 3D sensor that incorporates LED structured light and a high-resolution camera. It boasts excellent performance in generating precise 3D point cloud data. Two-dimensional images are captured by the high-resolution camera with structured light projected from an LED projector, and the GPU-based sensor processes image data to generate and output a 3D point cloud. The pose of the object is recognized based on the 3D point cloud data. The robot coordinates are calculated and delivered to the robot. The robot approaches the recognized object to perform the planned task. High-resolution 3D point cloud output is available. An embedded GPU eliminates the need for a high-end PC. The HDR function enables to produce high-quality 3D data from highly reflective objects. RGB color images are captured and texture mapping is provided. Since its establishment, INTEKPLUS Co. Limited has been produced professionally, designed and manufactured more than 1,800 inspection equipment for 20 years and is always striving to develop the best inspection solutions and provide them to customers. Technology for a better future. INTEKPLUS is with you.